Hello, hello. My name is Heather Aston, and this is my channel, TT's Trinkets and Treasures. Welcome. If this is your first video, thank you for taking the time to give me a little look-see and see if you like what you see and possibly subscribe to my channel. If you're not, you've been here before, thank you for your continued support. It's greatly appreciated. So today, as it said on the front card, I'm going to be going over my latest Thunderhorse Descendants order, including my August 2025 Found Objects Challenge, which I will go over when I get there. But first and foremost, I want to show off my order. Randy from Thunderhorse Descendants also does live sales or a bead drop. Right now she's been doing bead drops, not so much of the live sales, but she does that. I like to order from her. And then she also does a found objects challenge, which I'll go over when I get there. So let's go ahead and go down to the mat and I'll show you what I have here. So she always sends all of us a card thanking us for our order, includes a little raffle ticket in it that she uses in a monthly ticket drawing. And then I have my order that I will go over right now. So first off, it's all so pretty and I'm so happy. Oh, these Millefiori beads. You guys, I love these. If you know, you know, I have these in from India that are same but similar but different. They have similar patterns. Here, let me grab a. I happen to have some right here. The chevron beads, that's what I'm saying. Except for these ones are clay and these ones are glass. But beautiful. As soon as I saw these, I knew that I needed some in my life. Plus, I know somebody else I want to send a few to. So I was really excited to get these. And then I also got these 18 karat gold plated sun and moon charms, which are beautiful. They were sold by the pair. So I got two of those. They were $3.30 for the pair. I got some gold plated dragonfly charms, which are right here. I got two sets of two. These were $4.30 a pair. So I got two of them. And then I also got two of the pendants she had for $4.30 a piece. And you guys, they're so pretty. I don't want to mark up and put my oils on these till I'm ready to make something, because I don't want any tarnish to happen because of that. Whereas when I'm making with them, I do it and then I wipe it off and it gets sealed so that the oils from my hands aren't just sitting on the metal. But yeah. And then I also got this micro pave butterfly charm, which you can probably very realistically guess that that's for my granddaughter. And then I also got these gunmetal antique silver suns pendants with the micro pave crystals in them, and I had to get two of these. One's going to be from my sister because she's amazing and I think that she will love these. And then I got my found object challenge. But in addition, Randy also sent me these two beautiful wood. They could be charms. They could be charms. They could be pendants. They're right in that area where they could be either. Sorry, this is backwards, and that's why I don't know where my hands are. I apologize. But she sent these to me to create with, and I'm hoping maybe there will be stuff in the found objects challenge that will go with this perfectly. If not, I see some pearls and things in the near future with these guys very soon. Okay. Found Object Challenge. So this is the challenge that she puts out every month. And I'll just read you from the little paper that she sends with that the Found Objects Challenge. What's up for grab is $50 for the BD Goodness from Taylor Falls Feed Store, beading book, and free entry into the next month's challenge. So this challenge is inspired by Jewelry Maker's design book, An Alchemy of Found Objects by Darren Mentok. So $9.30 pays for a bag that's like a treasure trove of different things. It's great. The challenge, embrace the opportunity to expand your design skills. You can use anything from your stash. You do not have to make jewelry. We just have to be able to identify at least one item from your bag in the finished product. Complete one project. More than items are encouraged but not required. Get creative, make it cool, make it fun. Take time to explore your bag, research and plan your design. Tune into Morning Coffee live on YouTube to discussion and inspiration. If you have a design book, sketch it. Share your progress with them in the Thunderhorse Descendant Facebook group. Requirements: you have to share at least 3 photos in the Facebook group. Photo 1 is what you receive in your bag. Photo 2 and 3 are pictures of the items you made from your bag. Additional photos are welcome but not required. Use the hashtag Found Objects Challenge and tag Randy Brown in your post. And support fellow participants by commenting on their posts. So the winner will be drawn at random via a ducky race the following month. So here's my Found Object Challenge. Let me move my order out of the way so that I can show you. Okay. So this is $9.30. Oh, I see stuff I already know I'm gonna like because I bought it for myself. And because it's just my favorite stuff. Resin wood earring dangles. You can also use them as a pendant if you wanted to, but I see them more charm-like. Aquaterra jasper. Impression jasper. I cannot believe I just said that wrong. Sorry. Impression jasper, which I love. Love, love, love it. One of my favorites. In fact, it'll be good. And then here are like 3 different wood rings that I guess could either be used together or split up. Huh. I don't know how I'll use this one yet. But I think the first thing I'll do is put a thinner jump ring on it. Because it seems to be getting hung up on the jump ring, but maybe that was intentional. I don't know. This could be really cool though. As a pendant, I would just flip. Yeah, I don't know. I think I would put a smaller jump ring through it and then turn the larger jump ring this way and have it go through it. But that's just me. What just fell? Was it part of this? No. Okay. Then I'm pretty sure. Whoop, whoop. Let's see. Where are my scissors? I don't do, in case you're wondering why I'm cutting it off after I opened it, it's because I live in Arizona. And that was sitting out in the sun, and I'm allergic to adhesive, so it's all sticky. These are beautiful. Little amethyst. Do you know how much I can do with these? They're so pretty. Oh, see? Does this or does this not go right to the butterfly? Sorry. I don't know why this was down so far. There you go. like the pearls and these amethysts with one of the wooden butterflies. So pretty. Yeah, this is gonna get fun. I'm excited already, which is good because I've been a little creatively blocked. So this is exactly what I needed in my life right now. Because I don't know if it's because I'm competitive or what, but it was the same way when she was doing scoops, which she's still going to do. But when she was doing just about daily scoops before she moved, this girl ordered quite a few. These are some little rhinestone spacers. These remind me of stuff that I got in my very first found objects challenge. And I was like, what the heck am I going to do with those? And then I created with them and loved them. These are really cool. They have holes going this way though. I would have thought there'd be like one on one side, one on this side, and they'd come out the bottom. Instead, that happens when you face them this way. Or I'm just silly and didn't see that properly the first time. That is very possible. It's very possible. Okay. Ooh, I got two. Hey, hey, hey. These are just some really cool little glass beads. But stuff like this can be like, look, boom. That didn't take long. Just one project. I've already finished 3. Some gold leaf. I believe this is hematite, plated hematite. Because it doesn't clink in my hand the way metal beads do. If I had to guess, I would say this is hematite, plated hematite, which is good because I prefer hematite. Doesn't tarnish as quickly as metal does, in my experience. It doesn't. Look at these. Oh, that's so pretty. These are most definitely getting put with some pearls, and they're going to be shoulder dusters for me because what else could you do with these? I mean, could you use them as pendants? Yes. Yes, you could. Absolutely, you could. Am I going to? No. No, I'm not. I could even see, like, maybe I need a little, but look, actually, no. I don't mind that. I wish they were round, but I have itty bitty microfaceted rounds that would probably fit even in these even better. They're so pretty. I love them. Oh, I'm excited. I like my FOC. This is going to be easy peasy. I could knock out one design right this second. I could. But I think I'm just going to leave this the unboxing. Don't worry, you won't have to wait for long. Also, my FOC happens to go with the dollar bead box for this month. Just saying. Just saying. This is going to be fun. I have a couple things and I brought this out. Randy also designs with dollar bead box. So, oh, sorry, trying to pick that up. Leave it alone. But yeah, this is going to be really fun. I'm excited to play with this. So, all right. Well, then I hope you guys liked my order. I love that, like, everything is kind of matching. Maybe I'll do some. I gotta practice. I'm not good at wire wrapping cabochons, I'll be honest. It's not one of my strengths. Um, it's not even anywhere in my wheelhouse. Let's get real. I'm not very good at it, so I just kind of like am unsure exactly what to do with this cabochon. But that doesn't mean I can't do something. I've seen people just like wrap wire around it, make a loop up at the top, kind of. I can do stuff like that. I just don't always think it's pretty. So that's what I mean. Alrighty, guys, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. You got your FOC and loved your items in it. I can't wait to see what you make with it for the August Found Objects Challenge. Very excited about it. So here we go. We're going to do this. Bye, guys. I hope to see you guys later. And as always, happy beating.